Okay, so I'm here with Comfrey under the apple tree, and we're going to do a root cutting. So a root cutting is a vegetative propagation method, so the new plant will be genetically identical to the parent plant, and we're basically going to dig up, take a section of the root, and put it into a new pot. So this is also a good chance to have a look at our soil, see if there's some nice worms living down in there, and all sorts of other things, springtails, and yeah. So you can see the plant coming down here. These are, they have crowns, so we could actually divide out the crowns, which would be a different kind of propagation method. And if we look down in, we can start to see the roots. So there's a couple roots there. I've taken cuttings off these ones before, so they're not really sizable roots at this point. Get that, give that worm a little warning, time to get out of there. Okay, so there's a nice sized root down in there, and so I'm going to cut that. And these are very resilient plants, so they recover from this quite well. So this is the cutting here. So comfrey is white on the inside and very dark on the outside. Do you want to come and help me to put them into the pot? So come over on this side if you want to be my helper. Okay, so can you stick a hole in each of those ones?
But you can.
Oh, you want me to do the hole? Are you going to put the plant in there? You know what? You could do it with a stick. You don't have to do it with your finger if you don't want to. If we don't have a good stick, let's just use our fingers. Okay, and then so from this size, I can usually get about 2 cuttings, and we can see some growth off the side, and so that's a good sign that that's a place that's going to propagate a new plant. But you can get new comfrey plants from quite small pieces. So that's down in there, and this one will go down into this, and we'll just cover it up, give it some water and wait, and then it'll sprout a new little crown like these ones. So that's root cutting. It's a very easy way to do propagation for plants that have roots that will, basically you need to have a node underground. So if it's a plant that will spread well by its roots, then it's a good candidate for a root cutting. That's it. I'm going to recover that one.